Welcome back to Inferno Tech. Today, I'll show you how to create a complete website in seconds with AI using Stitch by Google. I'll build a women's clothing e-commerce store. But remember, you can generate any type of website: portfolio, blog, company site, or landing page, all for free. Stitch with Google is an AI website generator. You just type a short prompt, click generate, and instantly get multiple web pages with editable code, images, and design. The best part is you don't need coding skills, but if you do know code, Stitch gives you full access so you can modify everything. For today's demo, I'll create a women's e-commerce site with home, shop, product, about, and contact pages. Later, I'll also add cart and login pages. Now I'll show you step-by-step exactly how it works. Here's the Stitch interface. You can see the clean dashboard where all the magic happens. Now I went to ChatGPT, wrote the website prompt, and copied it. I pasted the prompt directly into Stitch, click generate, and in just a few seconds, Stitch started working and built the website automatically. This is the exact prompt I used. Create a modern e-commerce website for women's clothing. Include home, shop, product detail page, about, and contact. Use a minimalist design. Soft pastel color palette. Responsive layout. Hero banner with call to action. Product categories like dresses, tops, outerwear, accessories. Product cards with price and add to cart. Placeholder images, and basic SEO meta tags. After pasting and clicking generate, Stitch created my site instantly. The result was 5 ready-made pages. The home page had a Queen Hero banner with a featured collection. The shop page displayed a product grid with categories and prices. The product detail page showed images, a description, price, and an add to cart button. The about page included a basic brand story section, and the contact page came with a form and a map placeholder. Everything was generated instantly from just one prompt. You can also click the Code View button to see the full source code of any page. All the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are there, ready to be edited. Beginners can keep it as is, but developers can customize and integrate this code into their projects. I also wanted more pages, so I clicked Add Page, chose cart and login templates, and generated them. Stitch gave me new pages with a shopping cart layout, login form, and working design. Again, fully editable code was included. Once I was satisfied, I exported and downloaded the project. Stitch packaged everything into a single zip file, which included all the pages, styles, scripts, and images. I unzipped it locally and the site was ready to run. Before going live, you should polish your site. Replace placeholder images with real photos. Update product names and descriptions for SEO. Connect a payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal. Test the design on different devices. And check accessibility and alt tags. And remember, Stitch isn't just for e-commerce. With the right prompt, you can build any website. For example, you can create a portfolio with home, projects, and contact pages. Or a restaurant website with a menu, booking form, and gallery. Or even a startup landing page with features, testimonials, pricing, and a sign-up section. Whatever you imagine, just type it in a prompt and Stitch builds it. So my final verdict is this. Stitch with Google is an incredible free tool to create websites fast. It's perfect for MVPs, designers, and developers who want a head start. You still need to polish and connect a backend, but for speed and simplicity, it's unbeatable. Try it yourself. I've added the prompts in the description so you can copy and paste. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment what website I should generate next with AI. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Inferno Tech.